Welcome! This guide will help you install your smart Wi-Fi light switch. This is what you'll need: wire nuts, wire stripper or pliers, a voltage tester, a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and the smart Wi-Fi light switch. If you have them, insulated gloves are also highly recommended. Use the voltage tester to test a powered electrical cable to make sure the voltage tester is working. If the voltage tester lights up, it's working. Before installation, make sure you turn off the circuit breaker. Failure to do so will result in electrical shock. Unscrew the faceplate mounting screws and remove the faceplate. Use the voltage tester to test thoroughly around the light switch. If it does not light up, it means the circuit is not powered and you are ready to start installation. Next, unscrew the old light switch mounting screws and detach it from the junction box. Check to see if you have 4 wires connected to your old switch. If you do not see 4 wires, the smart light switch may not be compatible with that switch. Make sure to check for ground, load, line, and neutral wires within the junction box. Next, use the voltage tester to test for any current around the wires. Unscrew a wire from the old light switch. Then, screw a wire nut on that wire. Do the same for the other 3 wires. Straighten out the 4 wires. This is your smart light switch. The white wire is the neutral wire. The black wire next to it is the line wire. The other black wire is the load wire. And the green wire is the ground wire. You can check the labels on the smart switch next to each wire. Hook up the white wire to the neutral wire, which is usually white as well, by screwing on a wire nut tightly around the 2 wires. Hook up the green wire to the ground wire, which is usually green. Hook up the black load wire to the load wire. Next, hook up the black line wire to the line wire. Push the wires and the wire nuts into the junction box. Insert the mounting screws into the holes of the smart switch. Align the smart switch with the junction box and screw on the mounting screws tightly. Snap the smart switch faceplate on tightly. Congratulations! You've successfully installed your smart switch.